Hi guys. Today I will teach you how to create a second type of navigation for your app. So first we need to add another screen. So let's go to screen tree, which is this icon. Okay, so now we need to add another screen. So we have to click this plus sign and then type a new name for your screen. And then click OK. Alright, so now let's click this icon and then click open. Okay, so now we will have to choose detail screen. Just click detail. Alright, so I want to have a background color for this. So we'll do that by clicking screen properties, which is the third icon. Okay, one, two, three. And then we will choose background screen, which is the third icon again from the top. One, two, three. Okay, so now let's click background color and click a background color. Okay, so I want this color. As you can see, the background color changed. And if you don't want a background color, we can add a background image. Okay, so let's remove the background color and add a background image. But we need to upload a background image. Okay, so here are some background images. Click check, and as you can see, the background image changed. Alright, but for this exercise, I just want a plain background color. So let's go back there and change it to a background color. Okay, so now we need to add a header bar, and we'll do that by clicking on screen properties. Okay, and then click bar manager, which is the second icon. One, two. Okay, so this is bar manager. Let's click that and then click the plus sign, and then let's name our bar. Okay, so now we need to click this icon and then click edit. Okay, so we will now drag the table here because we will create our header bar. So I want to adjust the size of the cells. So the first cell will be 25%. Okay, click here and then go to width. Alright, and there's a box here. Put 25%. And the second cell will be 75%. Okay, so now we need to add an image on the cells. So just drag the images, then drag. Okay, so I want to put an image on the first cell. So just click this and then go down here and then click select and then upload an image. So click upload resource, file, and then this is the image I want. So click accept and then click the check. Okay, so I want another image here, so click here and then click select and then upload resource, file, and then click accept. Okay, and then click the check. Alright, so now we have a logo here, but I find this too big, so let's click that, edit, and then let's make it smaller, and then let's align it to the center. Okay, so I want a background color for this, so let's just click that and then click background solid, and then click the box, and then I'll paste the color here. Okay, so we can assign an action for this. So this button, just click here and then click this button. We'll assign an action here. So we'll assign the back action. So here's the action, and just click back. So when you click this, it will have the back action. So now let's let's exit. Okay, so you can't see the header bar here yet. We have to add it manually. So let's go to the bar manager again. Okay, and then this is the header bar we created. So let's just drag that on top. Okay, so now you can see the header bar is here. So now we will create a menu bar. Okay, so just click the plus sign and then let's name it menu bar. Okay, so now we have to click this icon and then click edit. Okay, so now we'll be making a menu bar. Alright, so I want to drag this table here. Okay, so we want to have 5 cells. Okay, so now there are only 2 cells. We're going to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And we want the cells to be 20% each. So let's just click this and just change it to 20%. Let's change all of them 20%. Okay. Okay. So now we will add some images on the cells. So just um, drag the images here. Okay. So now we will add the icons on the cells. Okay. So first cell, let's add here select. And then I want this icon. Second cell, select. Upload resource, file. Then let's add another icon, accept. Okay, click check. And third cell, select, upload resource, file, accept. Then fourth cell, select, upload resource, file, accept. Okay, and the last cell, click select here, upload resource, file, accept. Then click the check. Okay, so this is our header bar now, but I find this too big, so let's adjust the sizes. So click edit, let's make it 80%. Then let's put it on the center alignment. Okay, let's do that for all of them. Center 80%, center 80%, center, center. Okay, so now we have to click the X sign here, and I want to put the bottom bar here. So you see it's still not here. We have to add it again. So I have to go to the screen properties here, and then bar manager. Click bar manager. Okay, so you see the menu bar. We have to drag it here at the bottom. Okay, so now you can see it. Okay, so these are the menu items, and you can change these icons to any icon you want. And if you click this, it will go to the screen you want. But I will teach you later how to do that. Alright, so we can add another image here. So let's put the separator first, and then click no line, and then add an image. Okay, so let's click select, click upload resource, file, click accept. Or let me just find another image. Okay, click accept. And click the check. Okay, so now there's an image of a dog. Okay, but I want to make this a little bit smaller, so let's just adjust the size and then put it on the center alignment. Okay, so now this is your home screen, your navigation menu, and these are your navigation menu items. And you can change the icons here to any icon you want. Okay, and we can also add another separator here.